Hi friends, in today's lecture, we will create the first program in C language that print the hello world. First we will create the program and then understand different terminologies that used in code. Let's create the code first. Let's run the code. For run the code, go to terminal and click on new terminal and type here as gcc c_1.c and then press A tab simultaneously. Awesome! Here we create the first C code. If I name the file as harsh.c, then instead of gcc c_1.c, you can type as gcc harsh.c. Here first line indicate hash include stdio.h. So hash include is a directive, is a way of including standard or user defined file in program and is mostly written at the beginning of any C program. This directive is read by preprocessor and order it to insert the header file into program. And stdio.h stands for standard input output library that contains three variables, multiple function definitions, and multiple macro definitions. In the line 5, we use printf function from this standard input output library. Suppose there is a toolkit including screwdriver and we need screwdriver for tight the screw. For this, simply we will use this driver from this toolkit. Similarly, we use printf function from this standard input output library. Line 2 indicate int main. Here main is the function. So from here onwards, operating system initiate program execution by invoking main function. Int represent return type of a function and this function return the integer value. Line 3 indicate white space. See, ignore this white space, but we use it to make program more readable. And the semicolon indicate end of the statement. Line 4 indicate curly braces. Because of C is block structured programming language, any stuff that written inside these curly braces is ready for execution. Line 6 indicate return value from function. Here we explicitly return 0 because 0 indicates successful execution of a program and non-zero indicate unsuccessful execution of a program. Function return a 0 value if and only if all above statements are correct, that is free from error. If there is any error, compiler not able to reach return 0 statement and function will return non-zero number. And if function return the 0, then there successful execution of a program.
So friends, like, share and subscribe the video. Not forget to hit bell icon. So friends, we will meet in the next video. Bye bye.